Welcome. So today is Spoken English class 5. I hope you enjoy this class. And today I am going to give you another ideas. How can you use some words in your sentence? That's why I give you some test. At first you see this all, okay, and pause your video for some time. Then you try yourself what is the correct word for that sentences, right? After then, I give you the correct words and how can you use in your sentences. This is your first part. And the second part will be how can you describe a weather. When you describe weather, so what's the correct words? What are the words you use? Suppose it's a cloudy weather or it's a windy weather, right? Cold weather, summer weather. So how many words are using for their particular season, particular weather? Right. So let's start today's class of choose the correct words and how to describe weather. Right? Okay, let's start. So first sentence কি আছে? She murmured or whispered in her dream. She murmured or whispered in her dream. So যখন dream হচ্ছে, right? So dream এ কি হবে? It's not murmured. Then the correct word is whispered. So she whispered in her dream, right? She whispered. Whispered means কি? যখন আমরা ঘুমিয়ে ঘুমিয়ে কোনো কথা বলি, ফিসফিস করে কথা বলি, সেটা হচ্ছে whispered, not murmured, right? So whispered. It was a deadly bait. So correct word is bait. It was a deadly bait. প্রাণঘাতী টাইপের. She heard the announcement or warning and was ready to board the plane. So যখন আমরা কোন স্টেশনে দাঁড়াই আমরা অথবা বলতে পারো কোন এয়ারপোর্টে আমরা যাই, so every time announcement is there, right? So announcement, not warning. Clear? So it's a announcement. So she heard the announcement. So correct word is she heard the announcement, not warning. She heard the announcement and was ready to board the plane. Next, I wandered and wandered, lonely as a cloud. Right? So W-O-N-D-E-R-E-D, wandered means to know something, information. But W-A-N-D-E-R-E-D, wandered, here wandered means lazy. Right? So, I wandered, W-A-N-D-E-R-E-D, this is the correct word, not W-O-N-D-E-R-E-D. So, I wandered lonely as a cloud. I visited a holy place. So, place is holy. Clear? পার্থিব, যেটা হচ্ছে খুব পবিত্র. So, holy. They are conscious of people's warfare or welfare. It's welfare, not warfare. It's a welfare. Clear? They wound or wounded the watch on the tower. So they wound. The correct word is they wound. They wound the watch on the tower. He is earning or yearning for a decent job. So when we are searching for decent job, for earning something. For earning something. So correct word is earning. So he is earning for a decent job. The triplicate was just like him. So actually, when someone asks me that you are that person, like you are just duplicate to that, right? So তুমি একদম তার মতো দেখতে. So you are just duplicate. So যখনই আমরা এরকম সেন্টেন্স করব যে was just like him, so it's duplicate, not triplicate. এই ট্রিপ্লিকেট লোক দেখা যায় না, বলবো না, কিন্তু খুব রেয়ার, ভেরি 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 রেয়ার. পার্সেন্টেজ ইজ ভেরি শর্ট, বাট ডুপ্লিকেট লোক অনেক সময় দেখতে পাই আমরা. Right? So duplicate. It was valuation or value added tax. So VAT, in short VAT is called. But now GST is now coming. So value added tax, not valuation. So value added tax. Right? I hope you understand this. And it's actually এটা বলতে পারো তোমাদের মধ্যে একটা just জানানোর জন্য যে when some words are very very similar, we are confused then. So which is the particular word to use in our sentences, right? So that's why I'm giving this. And now our second part. Now the second part. The second part is what to talk about weather. একটা weather কে আমরা represent করব ইংরেজিতে. So কি কি word আমরা মনে রাখবো যেটার মাধ্যমে আমরা এগুলোকে খুব সহজভাবে করতে পারি. Okay. So প্রথমে হচ্ছে hot weather. Hot weather যখন আমরা বলবো কি কি ওয়ার্ড আমরা মনে রাখবো? সেটা আমাদের একটু জানতে হবে ভালো করে। সো বেকিং দেখবে আমরা রুটি বলি না যে রুটিটাকে বেক করে দাও, মানে সেকে দাও, দাহন সেকে দাও বলি না আমরা, বেক। সো বেক, সো today weather is just like baking us, মানে sun rays just like baking us, মানে আমাদের যেন সেকে দিচ্ছে একদম। সো বেকিং, blistering, we are went out on the blistering day, okay, so blistering, boiling, right, boiling, roasting, কেমন হচ্ছে না, রোস্ট করে দিচ্ছে, রোস্টিং, স্কর্চিং, searing, sizzling and torrid. Clear? So baking, blistering, boiling, roasting, scorching, searing, sizzling and torrid. All these are for describing hot weather, right? So hot weather. If you remember these words, you can easily express in your writing also, not only in speaking skill, but it also used in writing skill also. Actually, it's your increase your vocabulary level. So when you are trying to speak someone and try to communicate to others, you have to increase your vocabulary skills daily basis, right? Daily by daily. So that's why I'm giving you these words. So this is your hot weather, how to describe hot weather from these words. So you see your baking, blistering, boiling, roasting, scorching, searing, sizzling and torrid, right? Next come humid weather. See humidity. Actually nowadays that type of humidity not come in our current situation. So humidity এখন এতটা আসেনি, এতটা সোয়েটিং কিন্তু এখন আমরা পাইনি, যে সোয়েটিং। So humidity, এগুলো তো খুব কমন ওয়ার্ডস, we are generally used in our daily life, right? So if the weather is humid, then how can you describe it? Clammy. So what is clammy? Close, muggy, steamy, sticky, stifling, stuffy and suffocating. So all these are go through humid weather. Humid weather এর ক্ষেত্রে আমরা এই সমস্ত ওয়ার্ড গুলোকে ইউজ করব in our sentences. Clammy, close, muggy, steamy, sticky, stifling, stuffy and suffocating. Next is cloudy weather. Suppose the weather is very cloudy. So then how can you describe it? It's your dark night or dark day, right? Because sun is not there. So dark. Dismal. What's the weather now? It's very dismal weather. Dreary means কি, যখন আমরা প্রচন্ড বজ্রপাত হয়, lightning. So lightning যখন হয় তখন আমরা বলি dreary. So ভয় পাই আমরা না, then we can go outside from our home because lightning is there and it's light and the sound when comes, it's very much dangerous for us, right? So it's your dreary. Dull, weather is very dull. Gloomy. So it's all common words, right? So dark, dismal, dreary, dull, gloomy. Grey weather, right? What's the weather is? Grey. So grey, overcast and sunless weather. So when you use sunless weather, the weather is cloudy, right? So sunless weather. Next is foggy weather. How can you describe it? Foggy weather, hazy, misty, smoggy, all this. Okay. Now, if the weather is windy weather, so how can you describe it? Windy weather, it's blowsy, blustery, it's a breezy, stormy and tempestuous. So clear? So blowsy, blustery, breezy, stormy and tempestuous. All these are describing windy weather. If the weather is cold weather, right? So how can you describe it? Cold weather, bitter, bracing, chilly weather, cool weather, freezing weather, fresh, frosty, icy and snowy, right? So all these are describing for cold weather. Next, wet weather, bheja weather, right? Patch weather. So it's bucketing, torrential, damp weather, drizzling weather, down, pouring rain and spitting. Clear? Spitting. So bucketing, torrential, damp, drizzling, down, pouring rain, and spitting. Next, you have fine weather. Okay, so when the weather is very fine, so how can you describe it? It's balmy weather, right? Bright weather. Calm, it's very calm. একদম খুব শান্ত পরিবেশ, it's very calm weather. Clear. Cloudless weather. It's fine weather, dry weather, charming weather, soothing weather. So all these are for one to talk about weather. I hope you understand this. And the viewers who are not subscribing this channel, please subscribe in this class. Subscribe this channel, My English Book MEB, and also press the bell icon so that every notification has come to you regularly basis. Okay. So that's all. Okay. Thank you very much.